The car that every collector wants? The Ferrari HC25 is a unique phenomenon in the world of high-performance cars. Developed as part of the exclusive Special Projects program under the direction of designer Flavio Manzoni, this roadster was created in a single copy over 2 years of intensive work, ending with its official premiere at the prestigious Ferrari Racing Days event held at the Circuit of the Americas in Austin, Texas. Technically, the HC25 is based on the Ferrari F8 Spider platform, but this does not mean that there is no innovation at all. Under the hood is a twin-turbocharged 3-liter V8 F154, producing 720 horsepower and 770 Newton-meters of torque. The performance of the car is truly impressive. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is carried out in 2.9 seconds and up to 200 in 8.2 seconds, with a top speed of 340 kilometers per hour. A 7-speed dual-clutch transmission paired with rear-wheel drive provides the perfect balance between dynamics and handling. However, the HC25's true revolution lies in its design, which, despite its conservative technical base, looks far into the future. The main compositional dominant is the glossy black stripe that stretches across the body and creates a visual separation between the front and rear parts of the car. This strip is not just an aesthetic element. Functional air intakes and innovative hidden door handles cut from a monolithic piece of aluminum are integrated into it. The front optics offered the world an unprecedented solution: thin headlamps with vertical daytime running lights resembling boomerangs, which Ferrari used for the first time in its centuries-old history. The moonlight gray matte shade adds depth and mystery to the body, while the bright yellow brake calipers create a bold contrast that harmonizes with the exclusive interior trim. The historical significance of HC25 cannot be overestimated. This is Ferrari's latest mid-engined outdoor supercar powered by a pure V8 without any hybrid electric components. All subsequent models of this class will be powered by hybrid power plants, which means the end of an era. The exclusivity of this car is emphasized by its unaffordable price. The amount has not been officially disclosed, but analysts estimate such special projects at several $1 million. This unique roadster will be a welcome exhibit in any collection and a living testament to the moment when Ferrari took a fundamental step towards electrification. What do you think about this?